Hello? Maintenance? I can't tell you how many times I've seen where a high temperature switch has jumped out. Don't do that. These newer water heaters are very difficult to clean the screen on the bottom side. I actually have a special tool that I use for it. It's coming up. I just go ahead and clean the unit, and then I also clean the flame sensor at the same time. Be careful with this pilot tube because this is an aluminum one. You do not want to mess it up, because if so, you'll be buying a burner assembly. This one's the bigger one, which is actually the burner tube, is a little bit more flexible than this pilot tube. Alright, you can go ahead and unplug this. Alright, so we had a storm a few days ago and it knocked out power. They still don't have power in this area. I did not know that coming here. I went ahead and set up an extension cord. I'll show you what I have in my van. So I have this inverter right here, and I'm hoping that it's gonna run my shop vac. So if you guys can see that. It's the first time using this inverter. Alright, so what I do is I use this tubular 90 from underneath of a kitchen sink, and then I slide this onto the shop vac, and I basically just hold it, go around, suck up all the loose debris in there. As I take my shop vac from the suck position, and I turn it on the blow position. Stick this same exact setup in there, and then I blow out that screen. Just like that. Turn it back on the suck position and clean all this up. Alright, now what I'm going to do is clean up this. I still call it a flame sensor. I think it's called a thermistor. I'm not really sure. Doesn't look like it's been cleaned, and supposedly there's another maintenance guy that's already been here. So I've cleaned up the flame sensor. Now this thing slides into a groove that is inside there. So this little notch right here. I like to hook the big one up first. That's good. Remember, be careful, don't want to bend it too much. Igniter back up. On this one, you will push in this valve, and then you will strike this. Alright, the only nice thing about this type of burner setup is that you can pop this glass out and light it the old-fashioned way. I don't know if you can see that. I got it set up in the right spot, I think, now. You can't even see it with the camera. Gosh. Alright, keep holding this in. Alright, now you have a flashing right here, which indicates, there it is. So that indicates that the thermocouple or the thermomistor is reading flame. Alright. Alright, always like to do a little bit of a leak check just around maybe that gas valve, just to make sure nothing's leaking.